Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to stay offline but read and send WhatsApp messages. Firstly, go on the three dots on your right upper side and then select settings. Then you need to go for account section and select privacy selection. Now as you can see here you have many options, but first you need to choose the first option which says last seen, and here you need to make sure that this is for nobody. Go for nobody, and now you need to take a look for the status. You need to take a look or status default selection, and here as you can see you have three options right here, but you need to choose the third one, only share with. Now you're gonna share just with some person that is not on WhatsApp frankly, and it just like that, it just has WhatsApp account but it's not useful on his side. For example, I will go with this side, I will go on the tick and I will go done, and now with this we're gonna get it to this right point. Thanks guys for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.